Are you looking for the best alcohol moonshine in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best alcohol moonshine that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Seeutek 2 gallons 8 liters water alcohol distiller copper tube moonshine still. Seeutek is designed in a way that first-timers and pros can both use it with a lot of ease, as it allows transportation from one location to another, and its management is as well simple. The materials used to manufacture this product make it become safe when it is warmed at the crown of the inauguration oven and stove. Besides, the manufacturer has offered parts to swap with those that are having some mechanical problems. Also, it as well allows the owner to use it to play quite a number of roles. For instance, can be employed to sanctify water, gas, and to purify alcohol. It is fitted with a temperature meter in the interior, allowing the user to view the temperature at which the machine operates, hence making necessary changes if needed. Besides, it is built with a portal for eliminating water. At number 4, WMN-TRULYSTEP MSCO3 copper alcohol moonshine ethanol still. In the first position is a model with every characteristic that you would wish to be available: moonshine ethanol still, hence also enabling learners to have the best experience of using a still. Its material is secure and healthy, therefore making it suitable to handle food substances since it does not contaminate them. Besides, the material allows it to serve you for quite a long duration. In any case, you will be going to get yourself a model of the same, this could be a better option. The thermometer fitted to it displays the degrees at which the machine boils, hence the supervisor can do the necessary changes in case need be. Also, it has a gas lid that is ideal in curbing burnout with an advanced sanctification. It also allows the owner to use it to serve different purposes like purification of seawater for domestic use at home. At number 3, Southern Chem Water Distiller Boiler Brewing Ethanol 3 gallon spirits alcohol. In the 10th position is the latest and standard moonshine that is manufactured using real no-pigment steel. You comprehend the reality that this model enables the distillate to come up rapidly and provide an outstanding cleanliness by encompassing a dominant airway. Also, it is a refined and dependable commodity. You will also comprehend that it can serve a wide range of functions such as purifying fruit wine, water, brandy, and cleansing plant selections for medicinal functionality. In addition to that, its non-pigment construction material is argon-fused, therefore, preventing any kind of hygienic complications relating to copper and solder manufactured stills. At number 2, WMN-TRULYSTEP alcohol moonshine ethanol still. The construction of this product has included quite a number of things that you will commend. For instance, it has 2 cooling machines and an inbuilt thermometer enabling you to have the knowledge of what temperature the machine operates at. Beneath the cooling shaft is a lengthy metallic condenser that enhances the precise precipitation of the gas. Besides, it is manufactured with a gas sheet having no pigment to curb burnout. Also, the design fits both the first-timers and experts, as its handling is simple and also to establish. Besides, its fabric is secure and healthy for handling food substances without contaminating them. At number 1, OLIZEE 8 gallons alcohol moonshine ethanol still. This model is manufactured using stainless steel all over and properly welded, making it able to serve you for a long duration. The material also enables it to handle food substances since it does not contaminate the stuff. Therefore, making it ergonomic for use to handle those foodstuffs. Also, its features allow the first-timers to use more efficiently. Additionally, this model allows the owner to use it for sanctifying fruit wine, water, and refining brandy. Besides, it has a temperature gauge ideal for disclosing the temperature at which the machine works, providing room for adjustments. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.